Hello all. I have completed my digital marketing and graphic design course from Shine Computer Education. I really enjoyed my journey studying these two subjects because the tutor was really qualified and experienced. He had the in-depth knowledge of each topic. He also gave us practical exposure of each module he taught. He practically showed us how the business actually works. He also helped us understand the practical and the theoretical aspects of each module, such as website making. He taught us how the website is designed, how the website is hosted, how to buy the domain name. In case of SEO, he taught us how the SEO is actually done, how it is implemented, and how every company has a different strategy of SEO. Then he taught us about social media marketing, wherein he taught us how to play an ad, how to increase the reach organically. Then he also taught us Google Business and many other modules such as that. He also gave us extra knowledge as to different how different businesses handle digital marketing, such as e-commerce have a different way of handling, or a service sector has a different way of handling. A person a person selling other things selling educational courses has a different way of putting it out. So he gave us in-depth knowledge of each and everything. And in case of digital marketing, he showed us practical ways in how companies design their brochures, their flyers, their logos. He also designed some logos in front of us and showed us how it is actually done. He also gave us some short tips and tricks in which way it will be easier to be done, and it will be able to attract clients. So it was a great experience overall, and I had a lot of fun studying with him. And I would really recommend you to go and study and learn this course. And this course would help anyone in any platform. It is a very easy course, and and you will be able to work from home, and it is a readily income, and you'll get ready income from this course, and it is really in demand. Digital marketing experts are really in demand. Thank you.